wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this lovely little mid-length cut is the Monroe wig by Estetica in the color R12/26H. I want to talk about the color really quick because it is a really lovely color. I consider this one that's kind of like part dark blonde, part light brown. At the base here you sort of get this almost like light ashy brown color, and on top you get a very pretty sort of subdued, soft gold blonde with little hints of amber thrown in. And you blend those two together on the top and it gives you the look of a really pretty balanced sort of sandy blonde color. And down at the bottom, it's just that nice light ash brown. So it's a very pretty color. It's not too gold, it's not too ashy. It's basically kind of like baby bear's porridge, you know? It's right in the middle. It's just right. I think that this wig is really pretty. It's a very cute cut. I like the curls. I love the way the front is styled. Like that's really flattering, the sort of swoopy-doo thing here on the sides. I do think that even for girls who have, you know, wide faces like I do, the fact that the layering doesn't really blossom until you get below the chin, I think that's way more flattering than if they started it like up here or something like that, because it doesn't really blossom here. It like kind of blooms down here, which is really nice and it's much more flattering. And if you fluff her up a little bit to separate those curls, now I have not combed this, I just took Monroe right out of the box. And by the way, this fiber is kind of a drier feeling fiber. They don't put a ton of silicone on the hair at Estetica, so it's not as shiny. It has a really nice natural look to it. But if you fluff her up down at the bottoms, like look how cute this is. Like this is a really, really cute wig. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see how beautiful Monroe is on all sides. This, by the way, is a lace front wig. And the lace front on this one is really good because of that blonde in the front. And it does have a monofilament part. So let me show you Monroe. I like this one. I think it's very pretty. Yeah, I'm kind of all about it right now. It's really, really pretty. The weight on this is almost 5 ounces, so it's a really substantial wig. I mean, it's got quite a bit of hair on it, but you can kind of tell that this one's got some body to it, right? You know, it's not just the texture, it has quite a bit of hair on it. The bang is 10.25 inches. The sides down are 9.5. The crown down is 11.5. There we go. And the nape is 9.5. So this is a really nice sort of segue in between a mid-length and a long wig. And I would say that because it's curled, it's definitely in that latter category. It's a mid-length for sure. Very pretty color, very pretty cut. I can't stop playing with it because every time I play with it, it gets prettier. I like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take Monroe off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Monroe has a lace front, she's got a monofilament top, she also has a generous bump of permatease, kind of like a Noriko wig might, that's about 2/3 of the way back from the front hairline. We've got open wefts on the side, and in the back we have an extended nape, but it is not a closed nape, so there's like wefting back here. It's got a hook enclosure back here. It does have closed cloth ear tabs. And all Estetica wigs stretch really well. So if you're kind of in between wig sizes like I am, this will fit you very well. But if you have a petite head or something that's on this petite average side, this is gonna be kind of small for you, I think. Beautiful texture. Now I have played with it with my fingers a little bit on camera, but I have not combed it or anything. Beautiful texture, really lovely color on this one. Gonna go ahead and put this back on now. I love it when the knots in the front hairline are light colored because they kind of melt right into your forehead, and they're easier to hide. So yeah, this is Monroe. She's super cute. I hardly endorse her, and I feel kind of bad that I had to review her in a bathroom actually because she's really pretty. But I hope she understands. So this has been my review of the Monroe wig by Estetica in the color R12/26H. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Reviewing from basically anywhere I can find that has adequate lighting, because there's always so much to review in so little time and so very few spaces and weather and stuff. So until next time, I hope you have a really great afternoon, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.